believe technology should make our lives better, and nowhere is that more important than when it comes to our health. Just imagine what we could do if we knew where illness was spreading in our local community before it affected our friends and family. Individuals could take action to avoid getting ill. Parents would know at their child's first sign or symptom how to respond. Physicians would better care for patients, and society would finally have the tool it needs to track and stop the spread of illness. At Kinsa, we're applying design and technology to give you that information. I started Kinsa after 5 years running part of the Clinton Foundation's International Health Program. I will always be proud of the work there, but I was struck by how little we knew about where and when disease was spreading.
As a parent of young children, I know that the most important thing to me is their health. Unfortunately, they do get sick a lot. Usually from something they pick up in the neighborhood or at school. And as a technologist, I find it remarkable that there's almost no information available to me as to what is going around.
Together we assembled a dream team and thought carefully about how to gather this information.
Because fever is often the first sign of an illness, it allows us to know right when someone is first feeling sick, before they've even visited the doctor.
The solution will sound simple, and it is, but we think it's the basis of a revolution in health. It starts with a device that's probably already in your home. We've just made it simpler and smarter by connecting it to your phone.
This is the world's smartest thermometer. It tells you how to avoid getting ill or get better faster if you are. We've designed the Kinsa Smart Thermometer to be faster and more accurate.
My 5-year-old Nathan isn't feeling well, so I'm going to take his temperature.
By using the power of your smartphone, we've minimized the electronics inside. There are no batteries, processor, or LCD. This allows it to be thin, flexible, and comfortable to use, especially for children.
Reading complete.
Nathan's temperature's okay, but he's been complaining of a sore throat. With a few simple taps, I can track his symptoms over time and share them with our pediatrician. And since he probably got sick from one of his friends, I'm checking the health of his school to see what he might have. Here I can see the private group that I joined with other parents from Nathan's class. 5 out of 24 kids are sick and strep throat is going around. Though he doesn't have a fever, I'm a bit nervous, so I look for the nearest urgent care facility with an opening.
To make sure that you have everything you need to keep your family healthy, we're adding features like one-touch call nurse and an illness forecast so you know when you're contagious and when you're likely to get better.
Even if you haven't joined a private group, you can still check your local health situation. Here it is on a map. We combine our data with data from others to give you what we like to call the health weather. You can see the contagiousness level and what illnesses or symptoms are circulating in real time.
We've built the software and have working prototypes of the thermometer, and now we need your help. The funds you provide will be used to manufacture the product and scale up production, making it even more affordable. But Kinsa is about more than just a thermometer. It's about an idea that our health is linked directly to the health of those around us. Your support will start a movement to share the information we need to keep our families and our neighborhoods healthy. You will send a signal to the world that you want to be part of that movement. Join us, and together, let's revolutionize health.